Alright guys, so this video is for anyone who wants to set up less to work with a JetBrains IDE. Now I'm using IntelliJ, but it doesn't matter what JetBrains IDE you're using, they're all the same. So what you need to do is you need to go to File and Settings, and first under Languages and Frameworks, scroll down until you see Node.js and NPM. Now as you can see, I already have the package installed, but you guys aren't going to have this. What you want to do is you want to click this little green plus button, and let me make this so you guys can see, and search for the package less, L-E-S-S. Now before you hit install package, head over to options and check this, because we want to add the option of -G. This is going to install the less package globally, in other words, so you can use it on your entire computer and not just specific to this project. It's a lot easier that way. So once you have that set up, hit install. Again, I already have it installed, so that's why I'm not clicking any of this. And once it does, you guys should see this less package too, right here. So hit apply and OK if you want, but essentially you now have less package set up that you can use. Now here's the thing. Whenever we use less, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be typing less syntax and converting it to CSS. Now it's going to be a pain in the butt if every little thing we type we're going to need to hit a button that says like translate or convert to CSS. So I'm going to show you guys another cool thing that you can do, and that is install a file watcher. Now what a file watcher is going to do is it's a plugin that automatically converts your less code to the proper CSS anytime you make any changes. So all happens automatically, quickly, behind the scenes. It's all taken care of for you. So if you go to File, Settings, and from here go to Plugins, then what you can do is you can look for a plugin called File Watchers. This one right here. Now again, I already have it installed, so that's why it says uninstall for me, but it's going to say install for you. So click that, and once you have it installed, then hit apply. And at this point I think that JetBrains asks you to restart your IDE, so just hit restart, and then it's going to pop you up and you're essentially just going to have the plugin ready to go. So you have the file watcher plugin, but what you need to tell it now is, hey, start watching my less files. So in order to do this, and actually to get that plugin up and running, go to File, Settings, Tools, and if you expand this, you're going to see that you now have the file watcher tool, and as you can see, it's now watching my less files because I already set this up. But if you go to this plus button right here and select less, you're pretty much telling it, hey, watch any less files I have and automatically compile them or translate them into CSS. So select this, and also if you guys decided ever to use SAS or SCSS, then this is how you do it the same. And some other cool things, compressors, if you guys know what those are, basically to like way to minify code. Anyways, I'm getting kind of off track here. I get a little bit too excited about writing CSS code, I guess. But anyways, that's how you do it. Hit apply, OK, and boom, you're good to go. So now you don't ever have to worry about like translating it manually or taking it and converting it to CSS. JetBrains takes care of all of it for you. Pretty stinking awesome. So yeah, there you go. In the next video, we're going to get started learning how to use less.